Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So darlings, today is week 5 of me carrying these braids on my hair. Yeah, today is week 5, guys. I have done week 40, so today is week 5 and I want to wash my hair. I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair. I'm not doing a new deep condition. I already have a particular deep condition, like dehydrating deep condition. The hydrating deep condition I used previously, so I still have a batch of it. I'm just going to use it today, and maybe I might add a Dura deep condition, the one I use in week 4. I might add it to it just to make it enough for my hair. So this is my hair now. It's like this. Yeah, so I'm just going to take you guys in my deep condition routine. I'm going to wash my hair. There's no one going to help me to hold the camera to wash my hair, so I'm going to wash that off camera. Okay, then I will take you guys in how I'm going to mix the deep condition and put it on my hair. And yeah, and the tea I'm using for week 5, which I've already created the tea. It will drop after this wash day routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And yeah, let me wash my hair and I'll be right back. Guys, I just finished washing my hair. This is what my hair looks like after washing. I use my DIY black soap to wash my hair. So we are going to go and start up to do the deep condition. And yeah, so stay tuned. So guys, for the deep condition I'll be doing, I'm going to be using Mega Growth deep condition and a previous DIY deep condition I have used before. So I had this remaining one and I kept it at the freezer. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of Mega Growth deep condition. Then inside this deep condition of DIY, I have okra, I have flaxseed, and I have moringa. So why I added Mega Growth deep condition, just to make sure that the deep condition is enough for my hair. So this is what we have. I am going to make sure I mix everything together. Then I'm using my whisk to make sure that everything is blended well. Then I'm still going to add few ingredients inside, okay, because when I saw it I was like, let me just add few ingredients, which is oil, and I'm also going to be adding another hair growth powder. So I added more moringa powder inside, okay. Then I decided to add amla powder as well, because amla powder helps to grow hair, darkens your hair, and is amazing for your hair growth. So I'm going to mix everything together and I make sure I add my oil. So the oil we are going to be using is sweet almond oil. So I'm just going to be using just a few drops of sweet almond oil. Then our deep condition is ready. If you watch this extent, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Please watch the video to the end, because you will see how I washed it out and how my hair ended up being like, and the tea I used for week 5. So love, this is time for application. I'm going to apply this on my hair from the root down. Like, I poured everything on my hair and my hair actually absorbed the whole of this deep condition treatment. So it was a plus that I added that Mega Growth deep condition to help the deep condition to be more. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and then I'm also going to be sitting down in my hair heat cap. Okay, so the heat cap, I'm going to sit down under it as well. So I'm done applying this all over my hair. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using my bag. Okay, this is a normal plastic bag. All right, if you have a disposable cap, you can use that one. So I'm going to be using this plastic bag and cover my hair. Then I'll show you guys what I'm doing next. So guys, wanted to use this wig cap, this heat cap on my hair so that it's more faster, but they have taken our light, so I'm just going to be sitting down here for maybe like 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah. I'll carry it 1 hour. Maybe within that time, if they bring the light, I will um use the wig, the heat cap here on my hair. But if they've not, I'll just stay till the 1 hour. So right now is 140 40 sorry, 154. Right now is 154. So around that kind, 2 o'clock, sorry, 3 o'clock. Yeah, 1 hour is 3 o'clock, but around 3 or 2:54 should be 1 hour. 2:54 should be 1 hour. So I'll catch you guys later. They just brought the light, so let me use the wig cap, which will cut down time for me, because I will use the I say wig cap. Let me use the heat cap, which will cut down time for me. Instead of doing for 1 hour, I will carry it for 30 minutes with the heat cap. Yes, so if you don't have light, or if you don't have heat cap, you can carry this for 1 hour on your hair if you're not going out. Okay, then if you do have heat cap, carry it for 30 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this on my hair, and I'll show you guys. So guys, it's 30 minutes and I am going off. uh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Mama see me. Mama see me. Mama.
This is it. Like, it has literally entered my whole hair strand. So I'm going to rinse this out, and I'll be right back. So I just washed it, and this is what we have. So I still have like some of the products on my hair, so I'm still going to wash it again. So just in case you have this on your hair, don't panic. Wash it again or rinse it out again. It will clean. So I'm going to rinse it out, and I'll come back and show you guys. So guys, this is after 3 times of rinsing on my hair. This is what it looks like. So I feel no problem. I still have small distance left. You can see this place, but I know with time it will come out. Yeah. And again, my hair is on braid, so definitely it's gonna be a bit difficult to get everything out because of the braids. But anyway, this is it. I'm going to show you guys the tea I'm going to use on my hair, and yeah. So besties, it's time to moisturize my hair. I am going to be using this hair growth tea to moisturize my hair. It has lots of amazing ingredients which will be dropping in the channel. You can do what to check it out. And I'm going to use it to spray all over my hair. Then after this, I will use my butter, my oils, my leave-in condition. So this tea is really amazing for hair growth. I have a lot inside. Okay, so you need to check this hair growth tea out. So this is the hair growth tea we'll be using for week 5. So we are almost done with this challenge. I can't wait because I am seeing a lot of hair growth at the tips of my hair, inside my hair. Like my hair feels so amazing. Then I invested my money in buying this um scalp massager, so I have been massaging my hair as well. So this is another way to promote blood circulation, to promote hair growth. So after this tea, I use my scalp massager to massage my hair. Then after massaging my hair, I will also put in my leave-in condition, which I'm using Cantu. So I'm using Cantu leave-in condition on my hair. Then after I have used it everywhere, I know that my hair have absorbed the leave-in condition. Then so the next thing is to treat my scalp, which is using my Chamber 2000 and Virgin Hair Fertilizer. This combination is so amazing for your hair. Okay, like I love the tingling sensation I get each time I place this on my hair. Like guys, can you see my edges? I had to like come closer. Okay, so you all can see the edges. It's there. Like my edges have never been like this before, so I am grateful for all these treatment I have been doing on my hair. Like there is result, serious result. So this is my edges as of week 5. So I'm just going to put everything, all the whole stuff on my hair. Then I'll go back again with my scalp massager and I'll massage my hair. I massaged my hair for 1 minute. I can massage my hair longer than that, so it all depends. Okay, so on this day I massaged my hair for a minute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched to this extent, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and then let me know which part of this teas have you tried since the day I started this my hair growth challenge. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. So I'm just going to keep on massaging, and this is what my hair looks like after everything. This is what my hair looks like, and I am loving the growth because I can see growth on my hair. Seriously guys, I literally can see growth on my hair. So I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.